Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. Today we're going to go over how to slow-mo a clip or slow a video down inside Adobe Premiere Pro, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. My name is Jack.F. I'm a freelance videographer, photographer and video editor, producing weekly content and helping you take your videography and video editing to the next level. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. If you're wondering why I'm wearing my, my Mario onesie, I'm getting an early night because I've got a club shoot tomorrow, my first ever club shoot. Really excited but also dreading it at the same time, so I'm going to go get an early night. So if you want to see the final edit of that, you can stay tuned and I'll put the link in the description once I've done it. So, and if you want to support the channel and the creation of future content, go buy me a coffee, link in the description. So jumping straight into this, how do you slow a clip down? The first thing you've got to remember is, well, you've got to actually shoot your clip in 60 frames per second. If it's not in 60 frames per second, it's not going to be any good. You can shoot it in 30 or 24, but it's going to look really choppy. It's not going to have that slow, fluid motion. So it needs to be in 60 FPS. So when you half it, it's going to be going down to 30 and it's going to be nice and smooth again. So, jumping straight into this. We've got my clip here, my sexy face. So first of all, you need to drag your clip onto the timeline, and then literally all you do is right click, come up to speed/duration, and then you see here, speed is currently at 100%. What we're going to do, we're going to go that and hit 50. Hit enter, and as you see, the clip doubled in length. And it doesn't sound pretty good, but let me just turn it down, hang on. Lagging. As you see, I shoot all my YouTube videos in 60 frames per second, and this right here is a nice fluid motion of me doing this. That's literally all you do, guys. There is another method on how you can kind of make 30 frames per second fluid, but that's a little bit more difficult, and I'll do another video on that in the future. So if you like what you see here, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for notifications every time we upload. And if you want to support the channel, go buy me a coffee, link in the description. Anyway guys, I'm off to bed. I'm going doing a promotional video for a nightclub, and I'll see you on the next video.